Good evening, I'm Elaine Spires, playwright, novelist, actor and director, and I was thrilled and honoured to be one of the judging panel for the Book Challenge 2019. I'd like to share with you some of the comments that the judging panel made about the third place finalist. In terms of prose, it was the best written book with excellent location and character descriptions. There was realistic conversation. Metaphors were well used with no mixing and not going over the top. The author describes relationships well in speech that matches those of a teen. There was excellent character creation. There were fascinating insights into dwarfism and the challenges facing those who have this condition. There were great contrasting emotions portrayed. It's a good story about compromise and not getting quite what you want that I thoroughly enjoyed. It was highly believable throughout, a really enjoyable read. And so it gives me great pleasure to announce that the third place finalist for the Book Challenge 2019 is Dandelion Roar by Natalie Jordan. Congratulations, Natalie, very well done.